Hi, Warabile. So, for your spelling this week, we are looking at 3 different sounds. We are looking at 2 sounds that are made by the letter O and the letter W together. Color coded in pink, we have the letter O and W, where together they make the sound O, like in the word blow, throw, slow, show, below, glow, flow, pillow, yellow, and grow. And then you will notice that on word number 1, we have the letter O and the letter W also working together to make one sound, but the sound they make in this word is ow, such as in the word ow, cow. So what do we learn here? That OW can make 2 different sounds. In yellow, it sounds like ow, and in pink, OW sounds like O. Okay, so in a word like cow, in a word like owl, there is an owl with very big eyes on that tree. So ow as in owl, ow as in cow, ow as in the word down. That arrow is pointing down. In all 3 of those words, the OW will sound like ow. And then the OW in the rest of the words that are in your spelling and color coded in pink for this week, OW sounds like O. So ow and O, okay? And then we have the ow sound as created by the letter O and the letter U together. This is only one of the sounds that O and U can make together. There are 2 more sounds that O and U can make together, but we will not discuss them in this video, because the only sound that we can see or hear in all of these words where the sound is created by the letter O and the letter U together, the sound that OU makes in all of your words color coded in yellow is ow. So in the word found, house, mouse, around, sound, crouch, foul, cloud, shout, proud, and mountain, OU makes the ow sound. So what else do you notice there? You will notice that OW can sound like ow, but OU can also sound like ow. Okay, so let's go through the words one by one. We'll make the sounds and then we will do the spelling of each word. So remember, OW can sound like ow, but OW can also sound like O. But we can also hear that ow in the word found and ow in the word cow sound exactly the same, but when you look at the spelling, the ow sound in cow is created by OW, but the ow sound in found is created by OU. Now let's get into the spelling. Okay, sounds first. Ow, cow. COW, cow. COW, cow. Blow, blow. Blow, blow. BLOW, blow. BLOW, blow. Throw, throw. Throw, throw. THROW, throw. THROW, throw. Slow, slow. Slow, slow. SLOW, slow. SLOW, slow. Show, show. Show, show. SHOW, show. SHOW, show. Below, below. Below, below. B-E-L-O-W, below. B-E-L-O-W, below. You will notice that this is a word that we can already recognize as the word be. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. So be is a word that we can already recognize as a word, but it forms part of the word below. So you are allowed to code that as the word that we know, be. And so one more time, below, below. B-E-L-O-W, below. Glow, glow. Glow, glow. G-L-O-W, glow. G-L-O-W, glow. Flow, flow. Flow, flow. F-L-O-W, flow. F-L-O-W, flow. P-I-L-O, pillow. P-I-L-O, pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. Y-E-L-O, yellow. Y-E-L-O, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Grow, grow. Grow, grow. G-R-O-W, grow. G-R-O-W, grow. We only have 3 minutes left in this video, so I'll just make a separate video for the ow sound as created by OU. So let's recap on ow and O words, okay? So OW can sound like ow, like in the word ow, cow. But OW can also sound like O, like in the word blow, blow. So C-O-W, cow. K-ow, cow. K-ow, cow. B-L-O-W, blow. Blow, blow. T-H-R-O-W, throw. Throw, throw. S-L-O-W, slow. Slow, slow. S-H-O-W, show. Sh-O, show. B-E-L-O-W, below. B-L-O, below. G-L-O-W, glow. Glow, glow. F-L-O-W, flow. Flow, flow. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. P-I-L-O, pillow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-O, yellow. G-R-O-W, grow. Grow, grow. K-ow, cow. Blow, blow. Throw, throw. Slow, slow. Sh-O, show. Be-L-O, below. Glow, glow. Flow, flow. P-I-L-O, pillow. Y-E-L-O, yellow. Grow, grow. C-O-W, cow. B-L-O-W, blow. T-H-R-O-W, throw. S-L-O-W, slow. S-H-O-W, show. B